No, what unnecessary? I have only annexed the termination letter, their document.
All right, tomorrow.
আমি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি তোমার কপি একটা।
Next.
$52. কে আছে স্টেটের? স্টেটের কে আছে? তুমি আছো? বলবে?
Hello, I'm led by Mr. Boyce Mala. I'm taking
Certificate
adjournment,
copy.
but also required to instruction, my lord. I'm instruction from the department, but
Retirement benefit
And school is a necessary party, my lord. But
not
school
received
is
the
not
pension.
present.
I have submitted every
When
semester.
did you retire?
Well, I have retired on 30th June 2022.
22.
22.
And the reason for
That's
non
the problem. My lord, the one increment was given
Extra.
due to, my lord, the given earlier, the wrong fixation was made. And my lord, at the time of submission of the pension paper, it was directed the date of option cannot be changed. Now, my lord, this prayer was forwarded before the authority. If your lordship kindly turn page 33. Page 33 of the petition.
yes.
The P5. This is the letter of the District Inspector of Schools addressed to the Deputy Director of Education. In connection with the subject cited and referred that I would like to forward here the papers and documents submitted by the school authority of the upper group of such and such schools. MD Isaac retired HM of other as per observation raised by the victims through e-pension. The above matter is placed for kind perusal taking necessary actions. Prayer for subject, prayer for change of date of option
Yes.
from 1596 to 1696, 1 month in favor of prayer. Now, when the reply has received from the office of the Deputy Director addressed to the DI in connection with the subject mentioned above, the reference therein the undersigned has been directed to state as per Rupa 98 clause 63, the option once exercised shall be final. Hence, there is no scope to change the date of its option from 1596 to 1696 under the Rupa 90 as paid for MD Isaac with the retired headmaster. Your lordships kindly see their own circular of page, next page 35. Clause 1. There are cases of the teachers whose pay was wrongly fixed by the concerned district inspector school, causing the need of a huge amount of wardrobe, which was subsequently detected after the date of superannuation. In such a cases, pay is to be refixed as per rule. After correctness are made in the option papers to save the teachers from great distress and to avoid litigation, the work done may be calculated and referred to the department for further decision. The date of option in the respective option form may be corrected by the concerned district inspector schools with authentication of reducing the amount of the work done. Officials responsible for the wrong fixation should be asked to show why this should not be possible. Some teachers have opted for 1998 revised pay scale beyond the date from which she has appointed higher scale, which is very much contrary to the proper rules. Anyhow, the relaxation was given, and identical case was considered by the secretary page next page. Therefore, Sri Sukumar Das headmaster in such and such a schools change for the date of option in the revised scale of pay. The understanding is directed to refer memo number such and such. Sukumar Das headmaster of such and such a school is hereby permitted to exercise revised option afresh, a special case in the revised scale Rupa 98 after necessary correction on the date of the increment. Well, in the same case, our increment was due to the fault of the school authority was done. Paragraph 10 and 11 I have categorically mentioned.
Why fault? It is you who made the
No,
wrong
93,
entry.
what has happened, the petitioner completed B.Ed in 1993, which was not within the 5 years from the date of appointment. But the school authority wrongly awarded one increment, 1593.
Yes.
This increment. That's why that awarding of the increment is wrong.
Was wrong.
That is that. Now it is detected when I submit, when the school authority submitted the pension papers. And within 1 year, nothing can be done. And when they are allowing in terms of the...
My lord, record instruction, my lord. Paying for 1 week
petition is
adjournment, my lord.
a retired teacher. He is not getting his terminal dues on account of one extra increment granted in his favor by the school authority. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the petitioner would not be entitled to the said increment. Stop. The date of option for exercising the option for the revised scale of pay of ROPA 1998.
From 1596 to 1696.
From 1st May 96 to 1st June 96 has been rejected by the Deputy Director of School Education within bracket GA on
4th January
in
2020
January 2024.
after retirement.
Stop. Next paragraph. The petitioner refers to the memorandum of the School Education Department, secondary branch, being number 199, the लिखने में तो page 35, dated 5th March 2007, in support of the submission that there is scope for correction of the wrong fixation of pay
Change of date of option.
and also for change of date of option. Stop paragraph. It appears that the employee has retired from service in the year 2022 until date. He has not received his terminal dues. The
Page 36, similar
Authority-
situation they have done.
the authority ought to ensure that that necessary correction is effected in the service records of the employee to ensure that he receives his terminal dues. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Howrah,
Joint Secretary decision. Page 36.
is directed to take all necessary steps to ensure that the documents relating to the terminal dues of the petitioner are duly rectified and processed so that the petitioner receives his terminal dues without any further delay. Stop. Steps shall be taken in the matter at the earliest, but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Stop. The school authority is directed to render all necessary cooperation to the District Inspector of Schools. Acha, school authority. The school authority आगे लिखूं, the petitioner and the school authority. Both are directed to render all necessary cooperation to the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Howrah, to take steps in compliance of the direction passed herein above. Stop. The District Inspector of Schools shall ensure that the terminal dues of the petitioner is disbursed positively within a period of 6 months from the date of communication of this order. Disposed.
Only one line is required to be added, directing the DI to allow date change of option. This line is required to be.
Whatever is required to be done, he will do.
And-
I am not
And page
directing.
36, Joint Secretary has done. It is,
very well.
it is referred, DI will be. Your Lordship, I have already annexed. Similar
Hmm.
circumstances, it was.
আচ্ছা এক মিনিট দেখি ফাইলটা।
Your Lordship, kindly have a look.
The District Inspector of Schools shall take into consideration similar request of change of option which was allowed
By the
by the
Joint Secretary, Government of West Bengal.
OSD and ex officio Joint Secretary, Government of West Bengal, in favor of a similarly placed employee on 20th March 2009.
Get.
But I am for the commission in this matter.
My lord,
Number
with
the
apology.
petition.
The
My lord,
matter.
Mr. Ranjan Shah appeared behalf of the state, my lord. today.
My lord, matter relates
Saying for one act.
Primary,
engaged-
decision of the chairman.
Let him place.
Oh, yes, no,
the matter relates to
primary.
compassionate appointment. My lord, petitioner's fathers died, my lord, expired on 11 September 2004. My lord, petitioner made her application, my lord, 29th August 2005. My lord, thereafter recommendation was made. And after recommendation is page 26. Your lordship kindly come to page 26. Thereafter, my lord, your lordship kindly to come to page 28. This is the rejection order. Page 28.
Yes.
Thereafter, if your lordship kindly come page 39, the rejection order was challenged by the petitioner and there is a mandatory direction of this honorable court. My lord, the relevant portion is page 40, first, second, third paragraph. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, considering the submission made by the learned counsel appearing for the parties, the facts in the case are all admitted. Petitioner's fathers died during his service tenure and application was made by the petitioner number 2 within time stipulated and no objection was filed. The
Yes. Then what happened?
my lord, thereafter, my lord, no steps has been taken for such appointment.
This was in 2015.
This was, yes, my lord.
Then thereafter this present writ petition has been filed.
Yes.
My lord,
My
another.
lord, there is one my lord, technical point. My lord, the father of the writ petitioner was a teacher of secondary education. My lord, the employment or appointment of the petitioner is considered in the primary section.
What is your educational qualification?
My lord,
Anyway, let me hear once.
My lord, kindly turns to page 27 once.
Yes.
My lord, where my lord, district inspector of school forwarded the prayer for compassionate appointment to the chairman district primary school council. My lord, for appointment of teacher in a primary school on compassionate ground, your lordship has secondary determination. It is to be considered by the
What the challenge?
yes, my lord.
The next
earlier
page, my
officer
lord.
matter was
Next
not
page, my
quite,
lord.
my lord. Before the prior bench, my lord. The
My lord.
bench allowed, my lord, me.
Chairman, learned advocate representing the commission raises objection to the hearing of this bench stuff. It has been submitted that the rejection order is passed by the primary school council. Stuff. This bench does not have determination to take up matters relating to primary schools. Stuff. In view of the above, the matter stands released from the list of this bench and be placed before the bench having determination. Next. None appears on behalf of the petitioner at the time of call. No accommodation sought. Dismiss for default.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
My lord, I am protested.
Now, my lord, last occasion, my lord, the Honorable Justice Saugata Bhattacharya directed School Service Commission to take instruction, my lord. Now, case is this, my lord, that there is we got OMR sheet. This is related to 12 RLSC. Now, Ultimately, we filed jointly writ petition. Now directed the Honorable Justice Mantha to review the entire aspect by appointing expert of Jadavpur University. Now, my lord, in a contempt proceeding, my lord, 63% who are my client got service. But the petitioner was not a party of the contempt proceeding because of the reason he was seriously sick. And before passing the order passed by the Honorable Justice Mantha, I have filed, my lord, a contempt petition. The contempt petition, my lord, they furnish the name of 63 candidates and they say 5% is unqualified. But whether my name has been considered, they have not considered my case. That is the subject matter of the case. And Dr. Sutanu Patru submitted that they have filed a report, they short for time. Your Lordship, kindly see the order. Huh? August 2025, my lord. The order passed by the
Yes. Any decision by the commission
My lord, this matter will require an opposition
requires opposition?
because there are various facts which are required to. In his
My lord,
original
only
writ
one thing, may I
petition, the
request your
documents were not
lordship?
annexed. He was not a party to the contempt proceedings. After the compliance was done in course of the compliance, course of the contempt. So he was not there also. So
No, I
there is
submitted.
no representation from the petitioner also at any stage when all these things were happening.
My lord, kindly hear.
Ultimately, he has been excluded
I have
from.
stated in my writ petition.
Is that is because of
Is
his
that the challenge? And is the exclusion made known to the petitioner? The reason for exclusion or something has
Yes.
been made known?
since he did not
No.
come, so naturally we did not consider him. That is, in that sense, he was
We
excluded.
made a representation, 3 representation.
Let us
Annexed
file
in
our
the writ
opposition.
petition.
Let us file our opposition.
Kindly say, my lord.
Because there was a large bunch of
The
candidates
last occasion,
all together.
he
I
says
think-
that he will
Is
take
there any
instruction.
scope for consideration of the legal representation filed on behalf of the petitioner and intimate them the reason for not allowing them, permitting them, or something of that sort? Because
Nothing.
the opposition will not entail us to anywhere.
I'm grateful to my lord.
Page 39, I can see a representation. Whatever they've got to say, they have mentioned
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
representation.
If we file our friend has no objection to his representation being considered, we will consider.
Let your representation be considered.
My lord.
We will give a reply. Only one thing is
Only one thing, my lord. Before the Honorable Justice Mantha, all candidates has been considered, but my name has not been considered.
Because you were not there.
No, because of the reason, my lord. Kindly appreciate,
come.
my lord.
Only one thing I will be praying that this representation is made to the
I
chairman.
am the writ petitioner. I
The
was
order
one
be
of the
upon
writ
the
petitioner.
chairman or any other competent officer appointed by him, because we have
Now, my lord, only thing, my lord, I beg
secretary
to
and then
differ, my
4
lord.
other
I
secretaries.
see page 39. There are seven candidates.
Yes,
But the petitioner Manoj Sen, he is not there.
yes.
Then whose representation will be considered?
Yeah.
Oh, acha, page 43 is there.
Yes, I'm looking at page
Yes, my
43.
lord, can you see?
All right, all right.
Though that is the demand justice,
Page
but
43, my lord. I confine my submission only one thing. Whether my answer script has been assessed by the Jadavpur University.
that
Page
was not
4.
the direction. The direction was that the
Dr.
key
Patro-
answers will be assessed by the
The petitioner
university expert.
participated in the 12th regional level selection test, 2011. Stop.
Not
He
a single
failed to
case they have filed
qualify in
opposition.
the examination. Stop. challenging the selection process, some of the unsuccessful candidates approached this court,
Including the petitioner, my lord.
including the petitioner. Some of the candidates, including the petitioner, approached this court, and direction was passed on 18th August 2022
My lord.
in WP 8189W of 2013, page 45. Jyotirmoy Mondal and others versus the state of West Bengal and others. Stop. The commission was directed to take certain steps in the matter. Stop. An application for contempt was filed, alleging violation of the direction passed by the court. Stop. The petitioner, however, was not a party in the contempt application. Stop.
Because of my,
The
his
petitioner
illness, my lord.
is not aware as to whether the direction passed by the court was complied with in his case or not. Stop. A representation through the learned advocate is pending consideration. A representation on behalf of the petitioner through the learned advocate is pending consideration before the Eastern Regional School Service Commission. Stop. Without entering into the merit of the claim of the petitioner, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the competent authority of the commission to take a decision.
Kindly indicate who is the competent authority. Otherwise, month will go.
I know that will create confusion because all the responsibilities of the region is now with the central. Kindly do not make that clarification.
Competent
Why not?
authority of the commission to take a decision in the matter at the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of communication of this order. A reasoned order shall be passed and communicated to the petitioner immediately thereafter. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to forward a copy of the subject representation along with all documents in support of his claim to the respondent authorities at the time of communicating the order of the court. Disposed.
Deeply
May I
obliged.
pray one thing, my lord? Can I have a hearing, my lord? If your lordship permit.
Oh, yes, please.
After giving an opportunity of hearing to the petition.
What will you say in the hearing? It is all documents. 156.
156 too.
The matter disposed of.
Yes.
Right.
I'm the
Appear on behalf of the respondent.
non-teaching
For the state respondent, my lord.
From the January 2024, the salary has been withheld. Now, my lord, I have received a report which has been submitted by the state authorities. My lord, we need to.
My lord, this is the latest report because earlier I have submitted one report. That report was not complete. That is why I got second report.
What is your prayer?
After going through the report, your lordships kindly permit me to file an objection to the report.
What is your
My
prayer in
prayer
the
is the
writ?
salary,
Salary
but
is not being paid.
not been paid. But
Why?
But I tell you, lords, the report says it has been withdrawn. The portal was something mismatch or something hissy is there.
Why? From when are you serving in the school?
22.
You've not received your salary ever.
Salary 24 January, up to 24 January.
Up to 24
24
January, you received your salary.
Salary.
Thereafter, it has been stopped.
Yes, my
And
lord.
you do not know the
The
reason.
allegation is very serious. My lord, I have, after going through the report, your lordships kindly have a look to the report.
One FIR has been lost.
Your lordships kindly, this is that's
Yeah,
why,
question.
that's why I am making no prayer for
It is no
salary.
use filing an objection to the.
Very, lordships kindly see, I cannot make any submissions because my
Your lordship, kindly have a look.
all on
on
a
the,
sudden this office
last
came
portion
to
of my report.
দাঁড়াও না, বলে দিচ্ছি।
Yes.
All on a sudden, the office came to know the salary of the Anuran Sek has been drawn from August 23 to January 24 by the school authority of Bhimpur such and such school through online. After payment of the salary bill for the January 24, his employee profile in the salary portal IOSMS has been withdrawn without the knowledge in this office. Perhaps their names of the salary portal is moved October 23 during the inspection at the said school by misusing ID password of this office. Without the knowledge of the undersigned for this, the reason his name was not reflected in the salary table, all the employees of the Bhimpur such and such schools from October 2020. The matter has been informed to the Salboni police station in respect of the IPS case number such and such, such and such.
All right,
Yes.
I have followed it. What is
Yes.
your submission?
My submission is, my lord, apropos selection process, this person was selected for the post of Group D. Now, we have sent all the papers which prompted the DI to ultimately approve his service at page 16, 28th April 2023. He was getting his salary. Though it is recorded a provisional approval, it presupposes, my lord, there was some conscious application of mind by some authority, my lord, on the premise of which, my lord, ultimately the approval was accorded. Now, the gentleman says that he has not received his salary. Now, today a report has been circulated by Mr. Chattopadhyay, appearing for the state. The report indicates something.
Are you aware whether from February 24 his salary has
Yes, yes, it is a fact.
salary has been paid?
No, stop.
Stopped. What is the ground?
My lord, kindly have it.
1 minute. Assuming, so you take instruction.
I have to take-
Whatever may come from the
I
DI
need to
is
take
different, but
instructions,
why
madam.
is it not being
No, I
paid?
have to take instructions.
Please come back.
I-
The
Because,
salary
my lord, the
petitioner,
matter was intimated by the school authority to the DI.
Instruction, madam.
he doesn't have the instruction.
I don't know, my lord, how. It is their intimation. On that
Yes,
basis, the FIR has been lost.
আর
And
যে কি বললাম? Has been stopped from February 2024 without assigning any reason. Stop. According to the District Inspector of School, Secondary Education Paschim Mednipur, as forwarded, it appears that the name of the petitioner has been removed from the salary portal of the school without the knowledge of the District Inspector of Schools. Stop. The matter has been informed to the Shalboni police station, and the Shalboni PS case number 264/2022 dated 6th September 2022 under sections একটু লিখে নেবেন তো, has been registered. Stop. Learned advocate for the school is not ready with instruction. Stop. How soon? What night?
Tuesday week. Tuesday week.
কবি দেখো
No problem.
Release the matter on 26th November 2025. It's a Wednesday. 2025. Stop. An updated report from the school shall be placed before the court on the adjourned
And I have
date.
to obtain, my lord, a report from the police because
Whatever you feel like.
unknown affair
Next.
subsequently against whom?
Hand down.
School.
দিয়েছো? এই নয়
Lordship, I appear on behalf of the petitioner. Lordship, as per the last, I would just like to mention it is a newly received brief. As per the last order, Your Lordship, this matter pertains to increment benefits. So, Your Lordship, the matter is my client herein is an assistant teacher working at the Goberia High School, Howrah. He's an assistant teacher who is working with the Goberia High School for the last 17 years. Your Lordship, as per the guidelines which was fixated as per the ROPA 2019, there have been incremental changes with regards to the increase of salary and release of incremental benefits. Your Lordship, my client successfully succeeds in both, but despite the same, post ROPA 2019, if Your Lordship peruses the prayer portion, it is mentioned that for the month of January and February, I have not received the revised salary as well the retirement, the incremental benefits pending for the last 10 years is also due. And your lordship, I would also like to bring it to the court's record that as per the last order, which was on 9th of September 2025, directions were passed upon the respondent number 4 to file a report. Lordship, that report, Lordship, the 9th of September 2025. Para number 4.
Please come. The petitioner alleges non-granting of salary for the period January 2020 and February 2020. Is it the upgraded salary?
Upgraded salary.
Upgraded salary.
Pay commission.
He also alleges that the increment that he is entitled to receive in terms of ROPA 19 has not been paid to him. Stop. The district inspector of schools, is the school represented?
Yes, I am.
What is your submission?
Actually, Lordship, already the ROPA 19 calculation already submitted to the DI office in the year 2022. That report already, I think, kept with the record.
It is there with the records.
I think, because of earlier occasion, I submitted.
No, it is not
I-
there. It is not there. Actually, Gunto, learned advocate representing the school submits that all records of the petitioner have been forwarded to the Office of the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Howrah. Stop. From the instruction forwarded by the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Howrah, signed on 7th August 2025, it appears that the school submitted the arrear claim of the petitioner for the period January and February 2020. An objection was raised during vetting, and the same was intimated to the school authority for compliance.
Just few minutes ago, I have been informed that vetting is completed and amount, whatever the amount they're claiming, that it is ready to pay. The affirmation will come now. For affirmation, the department has already came to the High Court.
Affirmation of the report.
Yes, madam.
It is mentioned ready to pay.
Madam, not been submitted before me, but verbally I have.
Verbally, you've got instructions.
Just 2 minutes report. outside.
Bring that affidavit.
Yes.
Bring that affidavit.
If it is
I'm passing order. You please produce that affidavit. 2 p.m., 4 p.m.
Madam, Tuesday, madam.
I'll dispose it of today itself. If it is affirmed today, then why will you?
Then I have,
If it is affirmed, get it by 4 o'clock. Or yes, get it by 4.
yeah,
Lordship, I beg to mention, like, it is also with regards to 10-year service benefits
Yes.
along with the salary for
Yes.
2 months.
that will take the school authority.
না হ্যাঁ objection যেখানে বললাম না একটা objection was raised by the during vetting by the joint director of accounts secondary education Howrah. ঠিক আছে তারপর কি বললাম the
And the same was intimated to the school authority for compliance.
right the compliance of the objection was made by the school, but the additional director of accounts secondary education Howrah raised further objection which was communicated to the school, but the same has not been complied with till date. Stop. As regards the 10 years benefit to be allowed to the petitioner, comma, the school has not taken a decision in this matter. Stop. এটা এতটাই থাক ঠিক আছে উনি একটা রিপোর্ট নিয়ে আসবেন তারপর শেষ করব please come back at 4 o'clock with the affidavit and give an advance copy to him, all right, and to the school also, so that both the parties get to know. You have copies
I could-
of the affidavit? You have it now?
No, no, no.
Prepare and serve.
Inform immediately.
4 o'clock, it will be taken up. Is there an early rising today? No? 4 o'clock.
Wait, wait.
Before rising, 152, your lordship allowed the writ petition, it was disposed of. But the impugned order was not set aside, P6, it will require to be set aside.
152 টা কি আপনি নিয়েছিলেন? 152?
P6.
AGM, একটা লাইন একটু লিখে নিন তো। 152,
Impugned order being annexed P6.
the impugned order at being annexure P6 accordingly stands set aside.
Get.
Lord, voice is not audible, my lord. Voice. Lord, I'm appearing for the respondent, my lord. Oh, yeah, eh.
Mute me.
My lord, Lord, we are not able to hear my lord's voice.
Can you hear now?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Lord, the order in question is, my lord, has decided the issue that the pensioner also entitled for medical reimbursement, and my lord has directed us to verify the bills and thereafter reimburse the amount. We have verified, my lord, and we have issued the sanction order, and the bill is with pay and account with 8% interest, my lord, and it is in the pay and account. Tomorrow it will be credited in the account of the petitioner, my lord. We will file our affidavit in complaints, my lord, by enclosing the details. What are the bills? How we have been verified, and
All right, please come. Learned advocate representing the contemners submits upon instruction that steps are being taken to comply the direction passed by the court. Stop. Accommodation has been sought for. Stop. Release the matter for further consideration on how soon will it be done?
Lord, within a week we will file affidavit in complaints.
All right,
Subject to my
released
lord.
on 4th December 2025. Will it be all right with you? An affidavit of compliance shall be prepared and circulated prior to the adjourned date.
Yes, ma'am.
Oblige, your lordship.
Oblige,
All
my
right.
lord. We will permit you to leave, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
Oblige.
Please forward a scanned copy to this bench, all right? Here in the
Yes, yes.
principal bench.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
All right.
Oblige, my lord.
And I'm for the petition.
Has the order been complied?
No, my lord.
No?
No.
Who is
not
your
yet.
other side?
My lord, this is the second time, my lord, I have served. This is the video of service, my lord.
Who is the contemner?
The board of councillors, my lord,
Of
of the Mal municipality. My
who appears? ইয়েতে পেয়ে যাবো আগেকার অর্ডারেই তো পাবো
ছবি দেখে
Who appears for the Mal municipality?
My lord,
Mr. Devashish Mukhopadhyay.
Devashish Mukhopadhyay. The deed petitions, my lord, Devashish Mukhopadhyay was appearing.
Is he there? No. None appears on behalf of the contemners. Service to the control.
Eight.
পেয়েছে কবে ডেট কবে let a notice be served upon Mr. Devashish Mukhopadhyay, learned advocate, who represented the municipality before the court in the writ petition.
My
Released on 4th December.
Grateful, man.
Yes, item 2.
I, on behalf of the petitioner, Lordship.
Lord, I am on behalf of
Till
the
date,
state.
the order has not been complied, Lordship.
No. Central school service was to answer, Lordship, because we have informed them that no arrangement couldn't be made till date.
Lordship, in the local arrangement, they have a notification has been issued, but they did not circulate that notification, Lordship. So for my instruction, Lordship. Order has been passed, Lordship, 30th September, Lordship. 1 year has been already passed, Lordship. No conclusion has been submitted by the respondent, Lordship.
Where is the notification of 3rd January 2022? Have you annexed anywhere?
No, Lordship. Lordship, local arrangement notification has been submitted, Lordship, 9th June 2025, Lordship.
Thereafter, subsequent notification was given. Everything has been communicated to the Central School Service Commission.
It appears from the submission made on behalf of the parties that the District Inspector of Schools have failed to make local arrangements
how the local
for teaching the students in the absence of the petitioner. Stop. আমাদের যে সিঙ্গেল টিচারের যে জাজমেন্টটা রয়েছে না ওখানে একটা ডিভিশন বেঞ্চের জাজমেন্ট শুট করা হচ্ছে cannot be done. This court on blank in blank has decided that the issue cannot be kept pending indefinitely. Stuff. Next. Accordingly, the Commissioner of School Education is directed to, I will just check up whether it is the commissioner or who is the appropriate authority. All right. So direction will be passed to take a decision in the matter at the earliest. Stop. Learned advocate representing the state contemners shall come ready with necessary instruction on the adjourned date. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to communicate this order to the Commissioner of School Education.
Lordship.
At the earliest. Released for further consideration on 8th January 2026.
Lordship, kindly in December, Lordship.
It will not be possible in December.
Lordship, 1 year already passed, Lordship. Grateful, Lordship.
But I am applying for the petitioner, Lordship. My lord, the content application has been filed for violations of your lordship's order, which is page 18 and 19 of
Did
your
you
lord-
serve?
Yes, your lordship, I have served and it is effected.
Who is the contemner?
My lord, one is the additional district magistrate and district land and land reforms officer, Darjeeling, and another contemner is the administrator, Darjeeling Improvement Fund, my lord, DI Fund, lordship. My lord, this is the affidavit of service. Lordship, kindly see your lordship's order.
Yes.
Page 18 and the relevant page is page 19. Lordship, kindly comes to page 18, paragraph 2.
Mr. Bikash Singh has left, isn't it? Mominur Rahman is also not there. Ajanan appears on behalf of the contemners despite service. Let notice be served on the learned advocate representing the state respondents in the writ petition for taking necessary instruction. Released on 4th of December 2025.
Grateful, your lordship. But the service may be kept on.
Service is taken on record.
Grateful.
Item 4. Is anybody there online? None appears on behalf of the petitioner at the time of call. List on 4th December. 4th of December. Same order.
In this matter, the point is আমাদের তো for the petitioner. My lord, before my learned friend starts, my lord, I have one application, connected application. It appears that this application is for addition of party. Nature of the application is, my lord, I am the person who had received a notice from Howrah Municipal Corporation. Notice was issued on 24th of September, stating that in terms of your lordship's order, a hearing will be called. Hearing was on the subject that we have overdrawn, our overdrawal have been directed to be deducted and refunded back to the Howrah Municipal Court. I was one of them who was compelled there. 13 total employees were there at the time of the hearing. I was one of them. We raised my protest there. In spite of that, it has been deducted. My lord, whether I did not find your lordship's order was containing any direction to deduct our this one overdrawal.
Do you not think that this is a fresh cause of action? And you can
Lordship, I made this application with one judgment. I am armed with that. Whether the stranger can enter into it, it is a fresh cause of action.
Yes.
I agree with it. But your lordship, it is my duty, being the officer of the court as well as one of the employee, unfortunate employee, your lordship's order has been misused in this way.
All right.
My lord, may I just now apprise your lordship, my lord? My lord, may I hand over one chart before your lordship? My lord, today, where we are standing, that the UDMA department ultimately by jugglery of words have come to the conclusion that yes, we are entitled from the date of our regularization, not from the date of our initial appointment. That where we are standing as on today. The chart is there. I'm sure kindly see, Milord, now the page 6 of the chart. So we are entitled as per in this content from the date of our regularization. And your lordship's order, I have also mentioned page 2, where your lordship directed as per the submission of Mr. Kaur that yes, at least from the admitted position from the date of regularization, you process the pension file and disburse the admitted amount. Thereafter, subsequently, your lordship directed the issue with regard to the overdraw that should not be deducted. These are the position as on today. Your lordship's order is not being challenged by any of the authority. Kindly now takes up page 6 of my chart. What happened? Kindly see, Milord, this is the list of the employees, the petitioner before your lordship. My lord would get, Milord, the
Share a copy. They do not understand what you are reading.
Yes, yes.
Corporation.
Milord, admitted.
As per your lordship,
Copy to the corporation also.
as per your lordship's order, what we have done, let me submit those. Thereafter, they can always proceed. The contempt application, what I have done in terms of your lordship's order dated 4/9/2020, last order, man. Last order, man, I'm letting it.
This was the communication which was communicated to us
All right.
after your lordship's order.
But I have sub to all.
The last order was that whether regarding that 20 employees. So far as the 20 employees, we have already made a hearing. We have called them for a hearing. We have already reduced the revised
as per your lordship.
As per revised it, and that I'm placing the
Yes.
Don't get a copy.
and madam, so far as the PPO has been issued and that is been approved by the department, and thereafter, my lord, we will now proceed with the recovery of the extra amount that we have done already. My lord,
Are you all getting your pension from
That's why,
date of regularization?
That's why, Milord, the chart page 6. Kindly.
so far as their case, my lord,
Petitioner's case.
so far as the case of the 20,
No,
as per your
No,
lordship,
no, not 20. What about the petitioners? They will get it from the date of regularization.
the date of appointment in the corporation. My lord.
That is
Yes.
the date of regularization. Are they getting it?
Yes.
Kindly see, Milord, the chart. Yes, my learned friend.
Getting
Kindly see, Milord, the last 4 column of my chart, Milord, page 6. Has your lordship got it? Milord, pension relief due in month as on 31st of October 2022. Milord, your lordship will get from Amitabh Banerjee is 46 month, 57 for Pradeep Kumar Ghosh. Right hand column, Milord, just after that, leave encashment, no, for everyone. PF paid or not, Milord, some people, the PF is being paid, and gratuity, your lordship will get, Milord, everyone is in part. Kindly turns over the page, Milord. The same thing is for the next employees also. Gratuity, but I'm coming. I'm not in a hurry.
What is there to consider? They have retired.
Retired,
They will get their benefits.
they will get their benefit. Pilot,
Why?
they pass that order, they will get their benefit.
Why order is required at every stage?
We have, so far as my instruction is this, that regarding the employees who have retired, all of them has been dispersed, the PPO, and
They have given a chart that you've
that
not
I
paid.
will take instructions. Only a 2 weeks time may be given. I will come with that. I should have, I have been instructed
No,
that they have.
instruction is required. Payment is to be made.
My lord, then, my lord, pass an order. I will come with that instruction, and if payment not made, I will take.
Milord, kindly
steps
gives me 2
regarding
minutes time.
that.
Yes, I know, Milord, Mr. Banerjee will come back. Milord, kindly turns over the page to page 8. But I have, Milord,
What is instruction for the page?
page 8, my lord would get, Milord, these are the employees at the right hand column, Milord, PF my lord, last but one PF pending for months. My lord, get 11, 10, loss of interest, everything. Loss of service. I am for the time being not, my lord, disturbing your lordship. Now, my lord, kindly consider with regard to these two, my lord, page 9. These two employee, my lord, died. Indranil Sengupta, page 9. Has your lordship got it, my lord? Page 9. Indranil Sengupta, he, my lord, died in 2020. My lord, his pension relief for the month of 67 month that is due. Leaves encashment, nothing is being disbursed. Gratuity in part. My lord, these are the position, and my lord, kindly see they are withholding it on the ground that overdrawal. Kindly looks at, my lord, this, my lord, memorandum once. This notification of the UDD. Kindly
The terminal benefits of the petitioners on and from their date of regularization of their service in the Howrah Municipal Corporation has not been paid. Stop. A summary sheet containing the details of the employees and their respective dues has been prepared by the learned advocate representing the petitioners. Stop. Let a copy of the same be handed over to the learned advocate for the corporation for taking necessary steps. Stop. All dues of the terminal, all terminal dues of the retired employees shall be cleared positively within 30 days from date. Release the matter for further consideration on 8th of January 2026.
And I handed
As regards the application for addition of party Can 2 of 2025 filed by some of the retired employees. By one of the retired employees of the Howrah Municipal Corporation who claims to be aggrieved by the action taken by the corporation. Allegedly in compliance of the direction passed by the court. As regards
4th September.
As regards the same cannot be allowed. Stop. If the applicant is aggrieved by any action of the corporation, comma, the same is a fresh cause of action to be adjudicated in a fresh proceeding. Stop. No opportunity of hearing can be granted to the applicant in the instant contempt application. Stop. The application for addition of party Can 2 25 stands dismissed.
I have handed over the notification. I have handed over the notification. Your lordship's interim order not to, my lord, adjust the overdrawal. Point number A of the UDMA notification of 2011. I am covered by that. They are fortified. They declared that yes, no overdrawal should be, my lord, deducted in respect to the retired employee. It's of notification of 2011. But it's something, my lord, whenever I came before the
আচ্ছা আরেকটা লাইন লিখে দিন তো অ্যাপ্লিকেশনের আগে the Howrah Municipal Corporation shall take note of the order number eta dated eta of the
That is UDMA department's order.
Department
this
of
has been approved by
Municipal
the
Affairs
MIC of
at
Howrah
the
Municipal
time
Corporation.
of finalization of the terminal dues of the retired employees.
I'm grateful.
May only submit one thing, madam. As they have referred to an order, that's why I want to
Yes, tell me.
say that hearing in compliance with the order dated 4/9/2025 passed by the Honorable High Court. Stunningly, they have not stated which number, which petition number, which justice has passed this order, nothing. So, Lordship, since it is the position stand by Mr. Banerjee here, Lordship, kindly record that corporation wanted this order to be relied upon. Otherwise, Lordship, there will be confusion. That's why
There will be no confusion because now you have filed your application in connection with the contempt.
Yes,
the contempt arises out of a writ petition number, so you can tag that. right?
Well,
The court never directed
I
for
understand,
deduction.
That's
The
We found-
petitioners want that since you all have received, they should also receive.
We have just
Now
taken
the stand of the corporation is that you have been issued wrongly. So I do not know well what is right and what is wrong. Let the court take a call.
But your lordship's order was never intended to say that direct.
Never.
No, that was no.
Only one thing.
Red-
Yes.
Can it be instead of 8, it can be next week? Madam? Can it be? Madam?
Next week means today.
Next
After it,
15 January.
15th of January.
আপনি থাকবে না?
15th January. Why you won't be there?
No, my lord, I will.
He is always there.
Next matter is also same.
Grateful.
All right. Is the next matter in respect of the retired employees or the
Yes,
other
yes,
people?
yes, yes, yes.
Same.
ঠিক আছে।
Great.
একটা আছে তো।
Go to 42.
42 তো বসে থাকি 36 হয়ে গেল তো।
কোনটা?
36 same.
But I am for the applicant lords. Matter is relating to CPF to GPF lordship conversion. CPF to GPF already conversion. ADR amount already been disbursed. My lord, interest for lordship not been disbursed till now. DI personally appeared before vacation. 2 months already been given. Thereafter 10th of September, my lord, DI calculate the amount and forwarded to the treasury officer. Treasury officer not been released. Treasury officer saying DI is the authority to disburse. DI is saying treasury officer is the disbursing authority. The petitioner is 89 years old.
Let me finish, Baba. He's saying he said, tell me something else before outside the court. Inside the court, he says something.
What?
He says already have mentioned before the court that
Yes, last occasion mentioned.
treasury officer to be make a party. Then today it has been kept as such. What he has informed me. I was not there on the last occasion.
No,
DI has.
You were not
No,
there
no,
on.
DI
One
has
minute.
not.
You were not there on the last occasion.
Last occasion.
No,
Pradeep,
I mentioned.
please delete the appearance of the council. His name has been written on the last occasion.
Now,
No.
he said, he said,
কি হয়? You understand what happens? Recorded.
I mentioned the matter or grounds of urgency. Lordship fix the matter. That's
যাই হোক কিন্তু ওনার নামটা ঢুকে গেল কি করে?
no.
what he has submitted to me.
Main
Now you are
thing is
saying
why-
something else.
No, 21st of August, were you there or not?
Yes.
He was present.
21st August, the last order.
Upgrade করেছে। আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে।
Last occasion I mentioned lordship. That's
Listen, the petitioner is to be paid, whether the treasury officer or the DI, the court is not concerned.
Completely, the DI has acted his, in terms of your lordship's order, he has acted.
kindly
Yes,
last order kindly see
My
lordship.
learned friend knows it very well. He has spoken to the DI. They say, asking the treasury officer to pay. He said,
This memo is
Baba, one appeal is being pending about this matter, the interest part. The appeal is already being there. It was being heard out by Justice Tandon. The complete hearing was completed, but he could not pass the order.
Hey.
Now it has been transferred to the court number 11.
against
It is the part are there.
against this order. No, my lord, no appeal is pending.
Are Baba,
Against this order.
you have submitted.
Where is
you
the
said
initial
something
order
else.
for payment of interest?
So now the treasury officer,
Lordship kindly.
DI has already.
Lordship order kindly see. Page 19 lordship P1 annexer P1.
এখানে কোথায় অর্ডার কপি আছে?
He says already have taken asking for leave to at the treasury officer there. My lord has kept it for today.
Lordship direct.
For that, what he has told me. I said very well. Let the treasury officer be make a party because he is relying with him only.
Lordship direct the DI. That's why.
বাইরে একটা কথা বলো, এখানে এসে একটা
কি
কথা
বললাম
বলো।
treasury মাইলর বললে আমি পার্টি করব।
শোনো না।
আপনি আমাকে এরকম বলছেন কেন?
See, there is a direction upon the DI to follow up the matter with the concerned
Yes,
officer.
He has followed. Yes, see the letter has been handed over to him. my lord.
Thereafter,
Letter-
10th
How
of
does it matter whether he has
Yeah,
followed
but
and not
he has-
followed?
He's tried his best. DI has tried his best. It is lying with the treasury officer. Now let the treasury officer be called on.
I will call on your client and I'm stopping his salary, right? Thereafter, you'll see immediately the
No,
money
problem-
will be
problem is-
transferred.
Problem is otherwise.
The problem is somewhere
no,
else.
my
I
lord,
know where
listen
the
to me.
problem is.
My lord, listen to me, my lord.
Nothing.
Just
Please
a
come.
minute, my lord, just a minute, listen to me, my lord. The DI has worked
The-
in terms of your lordship's order.
On 21st August 2025, the district inspector of schools was personally present in court. Direction was passed upon him to ensure that the interest is paid in favor of the petitioner prior to the returnable date. Stop. Learned advocate representing the district inspector of schools produces a copy of the communication dated 10th September 2025 addressed to the Treasury Officer Contai.
Yes, my lord, he has tried his best, my lord, in this matter.
Submits upon instruction that Naki has communication mentioning that
So for the interest
arrangement
participation, the appeal is pending.
to be made to pay off the interest. Stop. The interest has not been paid till date. To allow one more opportunity to the District Inspector of Schools, Primary Education, Purva Mendipur, to comply the direction passed by the court, hearing of the contempt application stands adjourned till 15th January 2026. Stop. An affidavit of compliance shall positively be filed prior to the adjourned date. Next, communication to record. Next.
15 January, petitioner is a widow.
I appear for the LS contender.
Yes.
Hello, in this matter, Mr. Amit Pan is appearing on behalf of the petitioner. He left the court due to sudden death of his father. I am praying for adjournment for a period of 3 weeks.
May I only say this, Milord? Milord, we have pointed out that there was a direction for payment of compensation for the land acquired. Now, Milord, we have pointed out that the same land was subsequently acquired for another ILA. The Lordship wanted us to come back with a report, Lord, demonstrating that the same lands were involved and indeed payments were made for the same land. Lord, my outer line to file that affidavit was September 24. I have miserably failed, Lord, but I'm ready with the affidavit. May I place it? May I serve it to my Lord?
Please come. Report prepared by the.
Lord, this is the alleged respondent number 1A, 2A, and 3A.
In court today is taken on record. Stop. Let copy of the same be served upon the
I've
learned
served, I've
advocate
served, yeah.
representing the petitioner. Stop. It will be open for the petitioners to file an exception to the same within a period of 4 weeks. Released for further consideration on 15th January 2020.
May I seek for one observation, Lord? Lord, admittedly, payments for all the plots were made, excepting 2. The Lordship has observed on the previous occasion that for those 2, admittedly, the payments are not made. I will kindly observe that in the meantime, we should take an
Why
access.
have you not paid?
Lord, it is been done. There's a
And
check.
it is payable.
It is payable. It is payable.
Steps shall also be taken to has assessment been made
Lord, that is ongoing, Lord.
to pay the compensation and
For the plots which with the respondent admits have not been paid.
compensation solatium.
My Lord.
All.
My Lord. Compensation, Lord.
Only compensation.
Only compensation.
What about solatium?
It is not there in the order.
It's not there in the order. The compensation will include solatium.
We'll come back before Lordship. Lordship,
Necessary compensation kore din.
My Lord.
In respect of the plots where payment has not been made prior to the adjourned date.
My Lord. I'm grateful, my lord. This will help us, my lord. I'm grateful, my lord.
Yes, next. Next is also same.
No, my lord, this is a different matter.
All right, 39. No, different. None appears on behalf of the parties adjourned for the day. Now adjourned till 15th January.
I am filing the affidavit service.
Item 40, Lord, Miss Devolina Ghosh is appearing for the alleged contempt. Lord, she has the instruction, my lord, but she is engaged before another court, my lord. She is on her legs. The lordship would kindly.
Has the order been complied?
No, not yet, my lord.
Not complied.
Order, my lord, order passed
Coming.
on 23rd of March, my lord, 2022. Just to pay payment the retirement benefit of the deceased teacher.
Let the difficulty is, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, has to provide the legal heirship certificate. Now, my lord, the petitioner has, my lord, 5 more brothers, my lord. So, my lord, all the estates of the deceased father, my lord, will be, my lord, given to the legal heirs, my lord. For that, my lord, the petitioner has been required, my lord, to provide the legal heir certificate and other requisite documents. That is not yet been, my lord, provided. This is what.
Where is the document to show that you asked for all these?
That I have, my lord.
Everything has been completed, my lord.
This is the document, my lord.
Did you provide the legal heir certificate
everything.
and
My lord,
everything?
kindly, I am making one submission before your lordship. My lord, the order has been, my lord, twice I have served the of your lordship's order to the contemner.
No, not only the court's order, the documents that are required.
Yes.
This is the documents, my lord.
Show that it has been communicated. Where is the communication?
I only have this document, my lord. Kindly, my lord, since I am not engaged in this matter, my lord, kindly pass it over, or my lord, kindly fix it on the next date, my lord.
I am passing it over because 89 years old lady.
My lord.
Deliberately and willfully, my lord.
All right, just wait. The council is coming. Call the next one. Pass it over. Forty-one.
It's 41, my lord. 41 for the petitioner. Actually, my lordship, on this matter, my senior Lokinath Bhattacharya is suffering on high fever. So kindly not to just praying for not to do it.
Suffering from high fever? Or where he has gone?
My lordship is late for doctor, my lordship.
Jalpaiguri?
No.
Where?
He's
Where he has gone?
on my at home, my lordship.
He's at home.
My lordship. Only not today, my lordship.
Accommodation has been sought for on behalf of the learned advocate for the petitioner. Released on 15th January. Give your name.
My lord, item number 42 and 43, my lord, I am praying for the accommodation, my lord, because my lord, learned advocate Sanjeev Seth is appearing for the petitioner. My lord, he has not come today, my lord.
How
Demolition done?
Howrah Municipal will say, we are for the state.
Mr. Banerjee would be
Mr. Banerjee.
apprising your lordship because that demolition process was.
On June, there was an order that they'll file by.
Mr. Banerjee, demolition done?
Coming with the report.
ও বাবা 6-8 হয়ে গেছে
সাত আট ওখানে ডেমোলিশন হয়েছে demolition has been done.
Demolition has been done.
My lord.
Complete.
দেখে নিচ্ছি দেখে আপনাকে দিচ্ছি My lord, now we have made given an inspection. Already we have given
Yes.
We have given an inspection to them to say if there remains any demolition required, then let them point out. After seeing the structural stability,
Where
we will,
is the notice?
that I will bring, my lord. I have told them to give us the inspection notice. To give them whether they are satisfied with the demolition or not.
Accommodation has been sought for on behalf of the learned advocate representing the petitioner. Stop. Learned advocate representing the corporation submits upon instruction that the demolition has been done. Stop. To ascertain proper facts. Release the matter for further consideration on 18th January 2026. In the event any demolition is left to be done, the same shall be intimated to the
Completed.
corporation.
A report we
Yes.
filed with them.
Report is taken on record. But 6th August was there possibly.
7th August.
All right, next.
But 43, 42 and 43, my lord, both.
43, are you there? Is it the Howrah Municipal Corporation? 43 also? What happened?
We have done the demolition and many dates. Some demolition required, my lord. Many storied building, my lord.
Accommodation sought on behalf of the learned advocate
And
representing
that may be
the
recorded
petitioner.
demolition done in CC.
Stop. Learned advocate for the corporation submits upon instruction that part demolition has been done. Stop. The corporation is directed to conclude the entire demolition at the earliest, released 15th of January.
Can it be in the next month, my lord? Why I am saying, my lord? It is a five-storied building, my lord.
12th of February.
My lord.
Forty-four.
44, I am for the contemporary, your lordship.
I am for the petitioner. My lord, the alleged contender, my lord, has already filed a compliance a report, my lord, on the earlier date, and they have admitted that there is an existing, there is an unauthorized construction, my lord. And your lordship, my lord, directed on the previous occasion, my lord, to file a compliance report, my lord. Today it is the date for filing.
Copy not served upon you?
No, my lord, till that.
Your lordship, I seek some time for the instructions. The instructions have came, your lordship. I seek time for submitting and filing the compliance report. And your lordship, as per the instructions, your lordship, the erstwhile developer has already given all the handed over the building. And now who is the developer? He is not cooperating, your lordship. We have communicated the order of your lordship's the impugned order. Your lordship, this developer is not cooperating. Already the buildings, everything is being handed over by the erstwhile developer.
The issue is of unauthorized construction?
Yes, your lordship.
You are the corporation?
Yes, your lordship.
Which corporation?
Municipality, your lordship.
Which municipality?
Berhampur municipality.
All right. Berhampur municipality, did you inspect?
Yes, your lordship.
You found unauthorized construction?
Fine. We have found unauthorized construction, but
Then why don't you demolish it?
difficulty is, your lordship, in each floor, means it's a 5 or 6 story building, your lordship, and each floor is having different aspects of illegal constructions. I mean, the first floor is having.
I understand. Then it is for you to take steps.
Your lordship, the possession now is with the existing developer.
Don't bother as to who is in possession. As long as it is unauthorized, it is for you to demolish it.
Your lordship, the people are already living over there, so it's creating a problem over there.
So you will not demolish it.
No, we will. We have communicated.
And you think that the people who are occupying these portions will voluntarily leave out very happily?
We are in the process, your lordship.
What type of process?
To communicate with them, to means we are telling them to.
You tell them and they'll do it.
We are telling to submit the deed of conveyance, your lordship.
What will you do with the deed of conveyance? You have a plan with you. You know which portion.
With the existing developer, your lordship, and
you do not have anything.
The erstwhile developer has given all the documents to the existing developer, your lordship, and the
Madam, you are the corporation. You must be having all records with you. Do not rely upon what plan is forwarded by the developer. Developer will come up with some other plan. What will you do? Have you followed?
Your Lordship, we are communicating actually, Your
No.
Lordship.
No, your communication will not do. The moment you notice unauthorized construction, you should take steps to deal with it.
We have admitted it, Your Lordship. Kindly give me one accommodation to file the compliance report. The instruction.
What will you comply? You have not taken steps for demolition. This will only delay the matter.
Kindly give me a accommodation.
Despite detecting unauthorized construction, the Behrampur municipality is yet to take positive steps to deal with the same in accordance with law.
Your Lordship, kindly give the instruction to file the compliance report, Your Lordship.
The corporation ought to take immediate steps for demolishing the unauthorized construction that has been detected. Stop. On the prayer of the learned advocate representing the contemner, hearing of the contempt application stands adjourned till 15th January 2026. Stop. All unauthorized constructions shall positively be removed prior to the adjourned date. Stop. An affidavit of compliance shall be prepared and circulated prior to the next date of hearing. Next. What is your name?
Divyanjana Das, Your Lordship.
I'm
led by Mr. Anindam Das.
No leading. It is you, the leader today. Your name will go down. Next. Yes.
45. In this matter, I beg to appear for the petitioner, Your Lordship. Lordship, by the last order, Your Lordship was pleased to pass an order that the dues of the petitioner must be cleared prior to the adjourned date. But as per the instruction received from my client, only the pension, she is getting the pension, but the arrear pension and gratuity has not yet been paid.
My lord, I am saying that. Pension has been released from June.
Yes.
July. My lord.
June.
July.
25th June. PPO has been issued. PPO has been issued.
So far as gratuity is concerned, only 1 week to 1.5 week time will be given. My lord, I will complete the gratuity.
What about the arrear pension?
Arrear pension, then I have to take instruction.
Yes, because when did the person retire? December 2020. And you are started only in June. It cannot be. Please come.
Arrear payment কি হলো?
Half issue করে দিয়েছে 25th June.
Learned advocate for the petitioner
So far as the arrear pension
submits upon instruction that
জানি আমি
রিপোর্টটা দিয়ে দিন তাহলে
ঠিক আছে আমি দেবো তো
PO has been issued only on 25th June 2025.
দিচ্ছি
Stop. The employee died in harness on 12th December 2020. Stop. Arrear pension and gratuity
arrear pension
is still due and payable.
Payable.
Stop. Next. On the prayer of the learned advocate representing the corporation, hearing of the contempt application stands adjourned till 18th December 2025. Stop.
My lord.
All terminal dues of the deceased employee shall positively be cleared prior to the adjourned date.
My lord, next date 15.
18th of December.
18.
Arrear pension নিয়ে কি বললেন?
Next month. Next month.
Report has been given.
Yes.
রিপোর্টটা দেখান আমাকে দেখি
দিচ্ছি
এই রিপোর্টটা রেখে দেবেন। হ্যাঁ।
So far as gratuity has instruction, the gratuity has going to be paid by next week. That I can say. Arrear pension I have not taken.
Next. Arrear is also to be paid from 2020.
Yes, it should
There
be.
My
must be
report
huge
may be kept
arrears.
in the record, my lord.
Next.
Obliged, Lordship. দিন একটা কপি দিন
দিচ্ছি বাবা এর জেরক্স করে দিতে হবে এত ব্যস্ত হলে কি করবে
46. The contempt application stands dismissed for default due to non-appearance of the learned advocate for the petitioner on repeated occasions. Same order. Dismissed.